Hi students, today we will discuss about the sample size calculation. In medical research, determining the appropriate sample size is a critical step in study. A study with too few participants may fail to detect the real effect, while one with too many participants may waste resources and expose more subjects than necessary. The objectives of the lecture is definition of sample size, when to use sample size and power, know the importance of the sample size in a research project, sample size dependency, classification of study design. Sample size calculation for audit, cross-sectional study or single proportion design, case control study, cohort study design, randomized clinical trials, and two independent sample mean. Sample size. Sample size is the number of participants planned to be included in your study. It refers to the specific size of the group or groups being studied in your research, and it also refers to participants studied in a trial, including the treatment and control groups where applicable. There are many software for sample size calculation: PASS, power analysis and sample size software, and Curie, G-Power, AppInfo, OpenAP. RawSoft, PS, power and sample size calculation, AP tools, epidemiological calculators. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.